Hey guys, Jacob here again in the Cutting Edge Garage. We got Rust Belt Mechanic here with us. We're taking a look at stud removal this time.
Awesome deal. I know I've used a whole bunch of stud removers into time. There's always a tool that fits the right project, and a giant pair of pliers isn't always going to get into what you need to get to.
Yeah, vice grips aren't always the answer.
They most of the time. But in this case, we've got a lot of different ones here that I've not seen before that is going to do the job a whole lot better. Now, it's not like these older ones where, you know, you're used to seeing this one, the one-size-fits-all removal.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, those can get the job done, but sometimes you're working in a tight spot and they can be a pain to work with.
Really, they can, definitely. Tell me about these ones here.
These are stud and insert removal tools, and they work. But you've got a ton of different sizes here. It should fit any metric or SAE threads you're going to be working with. And they're like a jam nut style. So you thread this on your stud. You jam it, and then you should be able to take it off with any wrench you got.
Nice. And then insertion too for those studs into hubs. That's going to make it a lot nicer rather than what most techs are using is an old nut put on with the actual lug nut and an impact.
Oh yeah.
So ripping the threads on them. So this is the actual tool that you're supposed to use, guys. They seem to thread and spin quite nicely, and like you said, standard and metric sizes. I can't see a single size in here that I wouldn't have, you know, thought of to be able to use. So really comprehensive set, really nice looking. Looks like it's going to last a long time. How much did that one run?
That one's going to run 127 bucks. Part number is SP31255.
And then we've got another one here for us. What kind of remover and stud socket set we got moving on here?
This one you don't have quite as many pieces as the other one, but it's more of a wrench style. So if you're working in a tight access area, you can you know, slip your stud tool, and these will work in kind of size ranges instead of having one jam nut style one for every
one
single
individual
thread.
one.
Yeah.
So this is going to fit a larger range of them, and it's got a couple of different size ranges that it works with. It's got the locking bar style grips that are inside of them, and once I look in there, the rollers, the lock rollers, are actually knurled on the inside, so it looks like it's going to get some really good grip.
Yeah, and it's worth noting that these are just for removal. You're most likely going to gall the threads pretty bad.
Yeah,
but you can use that other set for insertion, but this is only for removal.
Yeah, this is getting out the rusty ones from the Rust Belt. So not only can you use the tool that does come in with the kit, but being a 14 and a 17 millimeter respectively on each one. If you don't have the room to be able to get this one in there, you can put it on a socket to be able to get into pretty much wherever you need to. Also looks like it's held in with just a spring lock retainer in here, and you can take this out and clean them if you do get them all mudded and rusted up and everything.
Oh yeah, fully serviceable.
Cool. So what's this one run?
That one's gonna be 64 bucks. Again, yep.
That's nice.
Yeah. Again, on our website, you can find that part number on that's SP31253.
Good deal.